Morning class. First we are doing English grammar, means English second, and I hope you have made a new copy for English second. And here our one chapter is completed, and the previous chapter was about naming words. As I have told you, naming words are name. Whatever the names are there, all are naming words. So here in this chapter, this is your work to read this chapter properly, so that your reading part will become much better. So every day you have to read at least one paragraph or a chapter daily. You have to read, and if you are reading, so try to read in front of mirror. With this, if you are reading in front of mirror, with this habit, your confidence level will be increased. So here this chapter is more about naming words. So here we will learn about more naming words, how we use naming words, and which type of naming words are there, we will see in this chapter. And when you will read this chapter, this is your work. I have told you, now I am not going to read this chapter. Here the words are written in pink color. Some words are written in a pink color. So this is your naming words: roadside, vehicle, God, Neha. So this here you have to circle all the naming words in this chapter. Here I want to include one more thing, that we know that the naming words are the name of person, animal, things, and I have told you the name of days, name of months are also called name of book, name of historical place. These all are naming words. So the places name are also called naming word. Okay. Now you have to open your new copy in which you have done chapter number 1. So today we will do some work from chapter number 2 in your English grammar, English second copy. So take out your English grammar copy and write today's date and your lesson number 2. Lesson number 2 is more about naming words. More about naming words. In this chapter, word meaning are also given, so try to learn the word meaning also. So firstly, here we will do exercise. Exercise is fill in the blanks with the help of hints, given hints. This given box is your help box. Help box means from this box the words are given. In this box the words are given, and from these words you have to choose the correct word for filling the suitable naming word. So here some pictures are also given for your hint. So this is a girl. So the girl was happy, but here which is the suitable word? The girl name is Neha. So we will write here, Neha was happy. She went to the dash. Where? This is the building of a school. So went to the school. She told her, these are her friends. She told her friends how she had saved the life of this is a flower, life of a flower. The flower felt safe with the strong, this boundary is called fence around it. So your next exercise is from page number 13. Look at the picture and find out the naming words from the help box. So you have to see this picture, whatever the naming words are given in the picture, you will write here. This you will do in your book. So first help box word is trees. Trees are available? Yes, trees are there in the picture. Trees. Cars. Cars are there? No. Aeroplane? No aeroplane is there. Boys? Yes, these are boys. Cloud is there? I don't think there is any cloud. Bench? Yes, this is a bench. Okay, BENCH. Birds? Yes, birds are flying in the sky. Girl? There is a girl also. Seesaw? Yes, this is called seesaw. Then fence means boundary. I think there is boundary also. This is boundary. So write it. Okay, then next is flower. Yes, flower is also there. Stars? No star. Moon? No. Butterfly? Yes. Ninth one is butterfly. Your next exercise you will do in your copy. Your next exercise is write the names of the place where you would like to go. So you can write any name where you want to go and you want to travel there. So write any name. Nainital you can write. Nainital, Kashmir or Shimla. You can choose your own place. Okay, so at least 5 places you will write here. Now the next exercise 6 we will do in book, and this exercise I will tell you in a next video. So here the people, profession means the work. So the people called after their profession are naming words. So the people who are in a profession, who are in a work, so they are also naming words. So this is what this is. He is looking like a doctor. He is a doctor. We will write doctor. So doctor is a naming word because it is showing the profession of the man. This have a broom, and this man is a sweeper. SWEEPR do in a book. This is a postman because he is having letter in his hand. The next is police. POLICE. This is also a naming word. And she is a teacher. TEACHER. So everyone complete this work.